Hey everyone, we're ready to get started. So the first thing you have to do, this is a very short video but very simple, is you have to make a decision that you're ready for change. And you probably decided before you came into this course that you wanted some things different in your life. Some of you may want to go 100% vegan and 100% raw, and that's fine. Some of you may want to bring in little bits and just reduce your meat eating and reduce the dairy, but still want to start bringing more vegan food. Some of you may want to just get more health. So whatever it is, the one thing that I suggest to all of you is that you clean out your pantry. You clean out your fridge. And with that cleaning, it's a cleansing for your soul. You've made a decision, you want something different, and you're taking a stance here. So you go into that cupboard, that pantry, and you look at food. And if it's got preservatives in it, if it's got chemicals in it, you throw it out. Bin liner, throw it out. You do the same in your fridge. And I can see some of you sort of going, oh, I like this is good. But remember, it's about your decision. If you're going 100% raw and you want to be super healthy, you've got to get rid of it all. If you're doing a little bit, then keep the thing that you really like, but try to throw some of it out. This is not about being fanatical, but you want change. You signed up for this course, and I'm going to help you with that. So getting started, you must go into the cupboards and the fridge and clean out the old stuff. Remember, you're starting a new journey. It's all about health. It's about well-being. So make the decision, put on some great music, make yourself a nice smoothie, get into that cupboard, get into that fridge, and get rid of the garbage. It's time to get healthy. See you in the next video.